Things I'm most grateful for. I'm grateful for my faith, for my family, for my health. But honestly, I'm most grateful for my USMR family. We have an amazing team, and these times have reminded me of why I love my job and why I love where I work. USMR is like no other. We are a really unique or rare breed, I will say. But honestly, all the positive messages, the emails, the funny jokes, the dancing, it's really helped pick everyone's spirits. So I love you guys, and I can't wait to be back in the office. See you guys soon.